So we had a client that had grown through acquisitions. They had maybe 14 acquisitions across the group, spreadsheets for each individual business unit, right? Each of those business units had sometimes shared contacts across the spreadsheets, but they would go on site and they'd be at the same site and they didn't know. The client was saying, oh, Jason's actually here. Did you not know? That's when they reached out. And they said, I think we need a unified system here, like help. So what we ended up doing with our CRM, with Pipedrive, we put all of those business units, the contacts, the organizations, the understanding of contractors, etc., and deals and opportunities that everyone's working on into one place. So they had visibility of who's on site, were there any upsell opportunities, because we know if you're at this site, they might need a drone survey or they might need a rope access survey. But that vision, not just within someone's head or across one person's business, there was a complete knowledge of the business in one place. So if someone had a question, they went to the CRM.